Yo, 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 what's good,
What it do?
people?
What it do?
We
What it
back, we
do?
back, we back. Back with another one. Back with another one. As we patiently wait for tomorrow. What's good, everybody? Welcome to the Late Night Leverage Show. I'm one of your co-hosts, Zay. I got my guy Quadree here.
What it
Uh,
do?
Dre will be joining us in a minute. He had like a little thing to do with his daughter. So Dre will be here in a minute. Um, and yeah, man. So this is a show where we trade futures live during the Asia session. We give live market analysis and commentary, and we hope we do some good for the people. With that being said, just know that this is not a signal service. Trading futures is risky, right? So this is not financial advice. This is financial entertainment, and we are the folks you see on your screen. So with that being said, man, tonight's agenda or conversation is quite simple, man. Tomorrow is a highly publicized event, that could highly impact the market. So we'll probably discuss Jackson Hole. But in the meantime, we'll also talk about, some possible outcomes. We'll give you guys some levels we're watching. And of course, and the occasional chit chat. So with that
Yes,
being
sir.
said, man, Quadri, how was your day today, brother?
Today was good. Caught a couple of scalps to the downside, then to the upside, and then I called it a day. It
Okay,
was a rainy day, so we waiting for the big news tomorrow. See what we
absolutely.
gonna come out of the way. So I actually finished green, so I was cool.
Word, word,
So
word.
I
And
was like,
yeah, man, for me, bro, I actually did not even really look at the market. I looked at the market a little bit this morning, and then I stepped away from the screen. Like we discussed, I kind of, I already had in my mind that today was likely to be a low volume day. The fact that it was rangy was even better because that's not my environment. So I ain't take a trade. I just chilled. Actually, I had had some lawn people come through. I had to get some quotes. I need to get some work done on my lawn, so I dealt with that.
mhm,
But yeah, man, I was saving all my mental capital for
for
tomorrow.
tomorrow.
You know what I mean? I'm not even going, I wasn't even trying to put myself trying to, catch a scalp or do none of that. So I chilled out, man. I chilled out. Save all my mental capital for tomorrow. So yeah, man. So let's look at this. I'm gonna pull up this screen. Let's look at this market a little bit, man. I'm gonna get rid of this for a second. And let's start with I guess let's start on a weekly, right? Let's start on a weekly and just talk about where things are, right? Looking at the ES, right? If we're talking about the ES is down 1% right now going into Jerome Powell's thing. You got the NQ down 2.3%. You got the YM down uh, basically almost flat. It's only down 0.21. And then you got the
Mhm.
Russell, I think about the same, where it's just about flat, right? Um, I think the biggest thing that stands out to me is how heavy the NQ has been de-risking going into this meeting,
Yes.
right? Um, the NQ coming into tomorrow's session, if we talk about from the 13th, where we kind of made this top or this peak, um, we are from the high to that low. We dropped -4. We dropped almost 4%. Well, we did drop 4%, a little bit over 4%, right? If we talk about the ES, this came down, which kind of made its top here on the 15th. High to low is down about 2%. So
Mhm.
we had the market de-risking, especially the NQ well ahead, profit taking, call it what you want, into this session. So what's your thoughts on that?
Yeah. So as we talked about, there was a dark pool that came in that people don't know. Dark pool is large institutions they place a big trade. We don't know whether it's a buy or a sell,
Mm-hmm.
or a call or a put. But that came in, I want to say late Tuesday night, and then yesterday we got, when the market closed, we got some more sales. I mean, well, actually, these are actually sales that came in toward the end of the day.
Mm-hmm.
So which
Oh,
makes
hold on.
sense, right? Because we
Let me put your screen up because I think.
okay.
Go ahead.
Yeah,
You
so
talking?
it makes sense, which makes sense because we've rallied so much since if we just put this on the daily, like we rallied, and we talked about before, we have rallied so much from the lows.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So you're talking about, like, think about from here. So you think about most institutions got in probably around here. That's
Mm-hmm.
29%. And then you look from the very bottom of this, that's wow. So that's the
40%.
thing,
Yeah.
40%. So I mean,
Yeah.
you want
So,
to sell.
yeah, when you think about it, that's not it's not too much. That's not, being down 4% that's kind of average for the NQ for real, for real. Like
Yo,
that's
it's
not.
nothing.
Yeah, you know what I mean? That's like, what I'm saying? Especially when you, in comparison to the rally, that really is profit taking. You know what I mean? It ain't even
Yeah.
a sell off. It's not even really a sell off. So,
Yeah, so it's like,
uh,
is it something to be concerned about? I mean, honestly, we don't know till tomorrow. But based
right,
off, I mean, also you want to sell in the strength too. I'm up, even if you got in late, you're probably up 20, 25%. So
right.
if you a hedge, you an institution, that's good money. We talking about taking profit. So,
Yeah,
it could be that. Also, we got seasonality still. I mean, it looks like right now we're still positive for the month. What is
yeah,
that?
we are. I think we are.
So,
I think we are.
I
Yeah.
mean, we at NQ. Well, I got a little negative. That's
Yeah, it's like
interesting.
flat. It's basically
Yeah, so
flat.
flat. Yeah, pretty much.
But the
So
ES is still positive, YM still positive, and the Russell is still
yeah, so
positive.
everything else, yeah.
Yeah.
So
So let me ask you this. With this de-risking ahead of this event, do you think, not even do you think, right? What are the odds, or what are your thoughts on the market bouncing? Like, is there what are your thoughts on, like, here's one of the things I'm seeing, and we talked about this before the show, is I feel like I got a little bit of a mixed bag. I've been trying to reach out to my resources and folks, and I'm like, all right, what are you seeing? I got some people who are like, yo, everybody's mega bearish. I got some folks that's like, yo, people still hella bullish. All right. So it's like, all right. And I'll just say this now at the beginning of the show, which is that my personal take on tomorrow is that if Powell is dovish, I think the market rallies. Right.
yes.
And the fact that we have been de-risking going into it, it's a little bit of a favorable setup, right? I don't know. Larry probably hasn't joined us yet, but we talked about this on Tuesday night, where it was like, yo, if we come into this event down, it's a possibility we could see a dovish Powell and the market
Yes.
actually rally, right? So that's one of the things that I'm like, we have again de-risked a little bit coming into this event. So I'm not 100% sold that he has to be hawkish and it's gonna cause some big sell off, right? So I guess I'm saying that to say is like, yeah. So that we have, since we have de-risk, what's your thoughts on a pop if he is dovish?
Well, let you know, interest rates did go drop down to 73% from 80 to 90. So it is
The
going
odds of a
down.
cut.
Far as the odds of a cut is going down a little
Um,
bit,
okay.
but I feel like we'll get the pop and we'll sell off next week.
Okay. Okay.
I feel like
So you still
uh
think a pullback or correction is underway? Tomorrow
yeah,
could just be a one-day anomaly where you get a rally and then that's a
because
false move.
just think about institutions. They get everybody happy.
Mm-hmm.
He say because we might, like I said just the other day, we could rally even if he don't cut, because most of us expect, and we do get it. We expected him pretty much to stay the same, but the odds say we get cut. So
Right.
either way,
Right.
I feel like we get a pop,
Mm-hmm.
everybody get excited, you lure everybody in, and you pull the rug next week.
Okay.
And then because right now we still supporting pretty much the last month the mid. So but that's been a big support so far. So we haven't broken that yet. Yesterday we attempted to break it, which we did, but then we waked right back up. So
right. Okay. All right. So let's flip it. If Powell is, and I'm not even going to say hawkish. Let's say he's non-committal, because that's what I've been. That's the thing, I'm getting, is that he may want to just keep his options open, right? And he may, what's good, Dre?
What's good, fam?
Right. So perfect timing, because we're talking about tomorrow. So one of the things I'm hearing is that he may be non-committal and try to toe the line, right? So if he does that, then it's open to interpretation, right? You'll have the bull saying, okay, well, he wasn't hawkish, right? And then you're gonna have some people who are like, no, he was hawkish, right? So let's just say the market does interpret it as a hawkish. What do you see from that scenario?
you talking to Dre or me?
We'll catch Dre up in a second.
Okay. So if he's hawkish?
Yeah, like if he's non-committal, like say he basically dashes, the rate cut hopes.
Wow, that Japan news just came through and knocked that string down, bro.
Oh, I was about to say, what happened? We was looking good. What was the Japan
yellow
news?
folder. That was dang. That was
right, damn.
CPI. The CPI rules.
I'm gonna see if we stay above this.
I ain't gonna lie.
I'm gonna see if we can stay above this. I'm gonna see if we stay above this 50%, but
shoot. We got one more. Nah, bro, I'm selling.
Oh, you flipping?
Yeah. That joint came out hotter than expected. Yeah, the CPI rules.
Oh man, bro, you got to be kidding me right now. They about to get me. Oh yeah, all right. So back to our convo though. So hawkish Powell.
We dropped till we can't drop no more.
That basically is that's basically the catalyst that sparks the pull.
That'll be, and we'll sure you think we gonna take lows. We're gonna take August low and probably get down to July mid.
First, we got to close.
Go ahead, Dre. What's good, Dre?
What's good, fam? Whew,
Go ahead, man. Let's you can join the convo.
If Powell is dovish, it's gonna be a nasty day, bro.
You said if he's dovish?
Like what dovish is bullish or huck?
Correct.
Right. Well, he's hawkish. We could see the market drop to the whole NFP range, and probably more. Like honestly, I think we get a crazy sell-up. And if it comes right, then we're gonna bounce. And a lot of people bearish right now. So
yes, we was just talking about that. There's a lot of, and that was one of the things. I don't think you was here, but we talked about how the market has did a good amount of de-risking coming into this event, right?
Yeah.
And so, with that amount of de-risking, it's like, yeah, a lot of people are I won't say a lot of people are very hawkish, but I mean not hawkish, I mean bearish. So it kind of like opens the door to a rally. Now, like me and Quadree was talking about, maybe it's just a one-day pop where you get some short covering, and then maybe next week it continues to fall down. But I do think that, because there's high expectations, it's kind of keeping me on my toes, especially because of the de-risking coming into this event, right? Like we talked about it on Tuesday with Larry, which it was like, yo, if we come into this event down, there's a possibility Powell could be dovish in the market rallies, right? So we'll see how that plays out. We'll see how that.
Like right now, I'm neutral.
Yeah.
I really don't care. Ooh.
Yeah. I said the same thing. I feel
really
like,
don't care.
I feel the same way. Like I'm neutral because I got a bunch of people saying the market is bullish. I got a bunch of people saying the market is bearish. I'm like, bruh, at this point, I just got to see what he say. You know what I mean? Like I just got to see what he
Ain't
say.
nobody know what this.
FX calendar didn't have this event on here.
What event?
That 7:30. Oh, they did. They got it as a yellow folder. All right.
Mm-hmm.
All right, never mind.
Okay. But we holding at 50 though, man. Shit. I'm about. Let me go put this thing.
I want to go long, bro. Let me see if I go long. Let me see.
That's what I'm saying, Brad. This looks like it want like it. That was a little. That seems to me like more of a little shakeout than anything.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. How was your day today? Y'all talk about your day. How was your day?
Yeah, I didn't trade at all. This wasn't. I like, bro. I told you it was gonna be a doji day. Like this was a scalper's day. I'm good on that. I stayed away, bro. Save my mental capital for tomorrow. You feel me?
Yeah.
So. Yeah.
Well, we talked about it last night on our Zoom call. We knew what day kind of day we were gonna have. It happened the same way we said it was gonna happen. Range one day was predicted.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Like that's why I was like, I think you said it during lunch. I'm like, bro, you already confirming what we knew, bro. This shit's late. Like we talked about that last night.
Yep.
So I wasn't surprised. The day before a big event. Come on, man. I knew won't nobody doing nothing.
Right.
So all right, that's where we at with it. Let's go look at the comments real quick. So who we got in the comments? We got Done Deal. What's good? We got Strat King in the building. We got Brian in the building. We got Maurice in the building. We got Mr. Luciano. What's good, my guy? Kevin said, I don't think Powell going to be dovish. He knows Trump wants the market to rally, and he on that. Diss me. I'm gonna show you 45 and 47. Yeah, that's one of the arguments, right? That's definitely one of the arguments is that Powell may want to try to stick it to President Trump. We'll see. I got that NFP low on alert. Carl said more. What's good, Carl? Shaki said, but I do think they're going to take it the other way because of sentiment. We don't de-risk this much the week of. We usually consolidate.
You're right.
Yep.
I'm with you, Strat King.
Right. All we know is we either going to hit the ceiling or the floor by noon. Facts. You trying to get 400 or more? I think they just talking about something else. UNH has been my friend. Shout out to you, Sonic. And then I'm gonna be in NQ and YM simultaneously. So that's what's up. What's good, everybody in the chat? Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So again, we're gonna see, bro. That's all I can say. I think all we could do is see what he do, what he say, and how the market reacts, and go from there.
Yeah, I don't get paid to predict the market.
Right.
we don't get paid for that. Jay? That's good, Jay.
What's good?
All we can do is say what he say and react what he do.
Right.
Follow the market. The market will tell you what happened.
Strat King said 1.5 to 2% swing either way.
Okay.
Yeah. So Striking, on that note, so a couple things I did want to talk about tonight is, well, first let me ask you fellas, what's y'all's assessment, or I hate saying feeling, but I'll just say it anyway. How y'all feel about the VIX being where it's at? Is it too, it's at 16, I think.
Still too low. I mean, it's still low. I mean, think
Right.
about it. I mean, you ain't. I mean, really. I mean, it didn't really move. It moved, but it didn't move. It didn't not enough to make once we go over 20.
How about you, Dre? How you feel about the, and what's your VVIX talking about?
That's what I'm checking right now. The Bibits is at is above that 50% that I tracked. That. So I expect a lot of movement tomorrow.
Dang.
Okay.
Like what I mean by that, like I could see the New York session going crazy, like 1%, 2% type of day.
Mm-hmm.
During the bits, if it's that if he coming with that dub like very strong, that bit is gonna go 20 light. He's gonna go a crazy day.
Yeah. Yeah.
But
So
if it
just
comes,
to add,
if it
oh, go ahead.
go ahead.
No, go
If it
ahead.
comes,
I thought you was finished.
if it comes, and that pump market gonna run, the biz is gonna go back down to 15, 13 points. The way
Right.
you used to. So
Right.
I
Right.
right now I'm just watching the babies. The babies telling me standard session range. So I'm expecting a lot of movement. The bigs, I gotta see what he's saying to see what you know. That's my take.
Okay. Yeah, for me, Dre, the VIX, where's the VIX at? So yeah, so the VIX closed at 1659 today. I think uh looking at the VIX on a weekly, it is above last week's candle high. I do think it's a little bit low, being, given the potential impact of this event. So I do think there's the possibility that once it gets started, we do see a spike. I think the thing for me that I'll be paying attention to is, can the spike sustain? Right? If it's one of those spikes where it spikes up really fast and then it gets heavy rejection, then I kind of know, like, all right, he's, this ain't gonna last very long. But if it's a sustainable spike where this thing holds, and don't really give a lot back, I think that's a signal to pay attention to. Another thing that has me feeling, or not really feeling uneasy, but just a signal that kind of has me like, you know what? I think things will be very interesting tomorrow is, and we've shared this before on the show, but the NAAIM, right? The active investment managers. So
Woo,
we got
let's
an
all.
update in that 20th, right? As of the 20th, active investment managers are fully exposed. They are locked in, right?
Mm-hmm.
They are locked in. This thing is back at 98 again. Once it gets to that, basically when it's above 95, that's a little bit of the danger zone for me.
Yep.
And the fact that they got fully exposed on the 20th and you finally got a little bit of a drawdown, that is a divergence that I'm watching. There's 1,000,001 divergences on the market right now, but this is probably one of the ones that I pay the most attention to. I think we also talked about the last time was that it was at a peak and I was watching for a double top to kind of form. So the fact that active managers are all the way exposed, it'll be very interesting, again, what happens with Jerome Powell, what the reaction is, because if we get a big sell-off, then you know what that means. They are cutting exposure, right?
Yeah.
So between the VIX and this one, yeah, I'm on high alert, man. I'm on high alert.
Yeah.
Again, I do. The fact that we have de-risked going into this event again does make me think like, okay, maybe there's a possibility that you get a fake out and the market rallies. But the preceding weeks, I'm still not 100% told that everything is going to be all peachy creamy. Simply another thing too, while we got a minute, is once we do get past Jackson Hole, like the first 3 weeks of September, it's actually kind of turned up. Like, it ain't just gonna be smooth sailing, bro. Like, next week is GDP, PCE. Wednesday is Nvidia earnings, right? Oof. So next week will probably be all about Nvidia earnings, GDP, and PCE in August, end of the month. But when you get into September, this first week is a short week and it's NFP Friday. The following week is inflation and sentiment and expectations. The following week is the FOMC and Quad Witcher. So the first 3 weeks of September are going to be pretty live, yo. Like, first 3 weeks of September are going to be pretty live. No earnings. So it's going to be very
this macro. FOMC, we get a Doppler, right? Yeah.
We do.
Yeah, this is the one. Right. This is the one that plaque that counts. This is the one that people watch. The September dot plaque is key for real.
Yeah, because that too will clue us into the remaining of the year.
That's interesting, man. A lot of people expecting what, 3 cuts, 4 cuts? Oh no.
Right? Well, yeah. I mean, the expectations. Well, as of today, I saw a tweet that said traders have pulled back expectations back to just 2. So we'll see where
that was a sell-off today, right? Kind of. Today, yesterday.
I mean, we got today was the manufacturing data and all that stuff. So
yeah,
it could be associated to that, but. Yeah, I think with that data we got today, it actually came in better than expected too.
Yeah, that was surprising.
So, yeah, that was surprising. So activity was actually still pretty decent. Again, like we talked about last night on our call, if you are really going to be data dependent, I hate to say it, but data does not support a rate cut in September.
No, it is not.
Like, if we're gonna be 100 and if he's gonna carry the data dependent tone, it does not. That data does not support a rate cut in September.
That's
So it's gonna be real interesting to see. Any of y'all in the trade? I'm not in nothing right now. I'm gonna be honest with you. I may not even take nothing tonight, bro. I'm just being, bro. I'm saving all my mental capital for tomorrow at 10 o'clock, bro. I don't want to risk nothing because I'm one shot kill tomorrow. That's what I'm looking for, bro.
I'm in the long. It's my last trade, so I'm 0 for 1.
Yeah. So, and I'm like super close to finishing this damn combine, so I really don't want to fuck around this go round. Like,
save it,
save it, get the right trade, and then I could be fast and I could be good. So I ain't even really fucking around like that, bro. Tell y'all the truth, man.
So Zay got a nice. When was it? We trade morning. Yesterday,
it's Wednesday morning.
Yeah,
when we was on our call. That's what I'm saying. Like, I want to keep that momentum that we had on. That right there was that was I love that. You feel me? Like, that was.
Can we tell the people how that happened? Can we go? Can you go, Mike? Because everybody. Yeah.
Yep, you could talk about that one.
Yeah, let's go. Let's do some back talking. So we was here, right, Wednesday morning. So we left the show here. This is Tuesday night.
Yes.
And I said that I didn't like this. I did not like this. And this is we're making lower lows on the 12-hour time frame.
Yep.
And we still are. We haven't made a new 12-hour high since God knows when. Yeah, Friday last week, right? Well, this one, if you count this one, but it didn't hold. This was like a spike Monday morning. That shit was bullshit. Anyways, so we and people in the chat call 23,000,
Mm-hmm.
23,880s, all of that. And y'all got that. We all got it. We were lit.
Yep.
But this is
Oh,
the
you talking about on
trade.
Tuesday?
Yeah, like Tuesday night we were talking about it. We
Those was yep. You're right. Go ahead.
I
My
even
bad.
show a data. I even show a data that if by 10 o'clock, 20 o'clock, we do not break this high, we're gonna keep the going down to London. Yeah, remember the data I shared? London was the one that we're gonna get this.
Yeah, we talked about it. We was like, done. Then we're gonna get a pop in London.
But and I said that day, if this pop don't take that high, I'm selling New York. And boy, we got on the call, and boy, I said, wait for that 945 candle if you're not in it, or because it's gonna continue, or caught it right here. Me and Quadree caught it here, and you caught it by 10:45.
No, I was in early.
Oh, you were in early with us.
I was in early.
Right,
When the ES retraced up, that's when me and Mike got in. I was like, Mike, we've got to take this. I think we was in. Yeah.
The funny part is, guys, we let so much point in the. We let my point in profit. I call my.
Because we were out. We finished the call by like 10 o'clock.
Oh yeah.
We were like, I cut it early. I was like, yo, this was so good a trade. I said, yo, that's it. Like, we don't need it. We're not about to sit here for the no. And I'm glad we did it because look what happened. That shit rallied all the way back, bro.
Yeah, it did.
Like,
it really
after we
did.
got off, we kind of went a little bit lower, but then after that, the market straight rallied.
At 11 in the morning, we got this nonsense bounce that nobody knows why we got the bounce. Well, I know why. We know why, but we got the where Larry at? Larry, we got your levels. This was my level, boy. We got the NFP.
We getting a hell of a push, boy. Y'all see this push?
I'm in it.
Let's go. Yeah. And I didn't hold the other way, Larry. So that's my fault. I should have. I mean, if you go on my Twitter,
that joint was moving so fast, though, bro. Like, I was trying to put my TP down more.
Yeah, like because if you think about, like, bro, look at those. What time frame you on? 15 minutes, bro. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that candle after your yellow one.
This 945. That's the 945.
That's what I'm like. That's my point. Like that 945 candle was so crucial. We was
nasty.
Bro. It was like, bro, like we nasty. Good. Yeah, maybe you could have held on till 10, but after that, it got after 10 o'clock. Yeah, it started to really slow down and get choppy anyway.
And you technically don't know where it's going to stop at. You know what I'm saying? For a pullback,
right?
That was moving so fast, though, bro. Like,
yeah, but yeah. So it was a beautiful day on Wednesday morning.
Yep.
Today, my day was I caught a trade. I didn't do much today because I was like, we're gonna have that range one day. It's gonna be choppy. And look at this, bro. Look at this day. Like it went down, went up.
Down.
Didn't take this high. I don't know why we didn't take this high, but anyways, that's another topic.
Because we're gonna get it tomorrow.
Yeah,
I'm telling you, bro. Like, bro, we're gonna do. That's why I think we're gonna push a little bit tomorrow and take out some type of highs. But then that's the okie doke because if that shit don't hold in reverse, that's when it's gonna get nasty. It's gonna get nasty, bro.
Yeah.
I wanted to ask you too, Dre. Is there any 6 a.m. candles or 6 a.m. opens we haven't tested yet to the upside? Because usually, you remember how you said you'll leave them on your chart if we don't test them? What's those?
1800 is from Tuesday. We never touch it. It's open. This
and
Tuesday.
Is that the 6 a.m. or the 1800?
That's both of them.
We never tested neither one.
Yeah, they both open.
From Tuesday, what was Tuesday's date?
Tuesday was the 19th.
The 19th. Let me go. I'm just gonna go take a look real quick.
So they are open.
Yeah, so this is 6, and then 1800 would be right here. Oh wow, and they're pretty close to each other too.
Yeah.
Are you getting like 23,787, 23,800?
I'm getting 23,461 and 23,3325
for 6 o'clock and for the 6 o'clock.
Tuesday night is the 1800s, 23,461 right here. That's when we open the show on Tuesday night. Then Wednesday morning is the 6 a.m. is 23,433. Right?
Oh, okay. I see what you're looking at. Bro, they might I thought they should be a little bit higher.
I mean, they can go higher because
like go put it on a daily real quick for me.
Yep. Boom.
Because Tuesday is the 19th.
Yeah.
So that should be your big candle.
Yeah. Right here. 23,461.
Nah, that right there, that's Wednesday, bro.
Wednesday.
The big body, the bigger candle to your left, that's Tuesday.
Yeah, that's open too. That's another open.
Okay, yeah, that's what I'm saying. So that's why I'm like 23,800. That's why I was like, bro, I got way higher levels if we talking Tuesday.
Yeah, look, 23,700.
That 23,400 stuff, that's Wednesday 6 a.m. and Wednesday 6 p.m.
Well,
because the 20th is Wednesday.
Yeah, Wednesday. I got Tuesday 1800 open right here. It's open, and then the morning is still open, and that's 23,787.
All right,
that's the 6 a.m.
That's okay. Now we on the same.
So they're like 300 points apart.
Got it. That's what I was saying.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
All right. Let's see. Larry is in the building. He said, "What's good? That drop was sexy. So with the rally back up, that means put PAL in full effect." No, Larry, I'm glad you were here. Remember what we talked about on Tuesday, bro? Where we said if we come into this event down, we most likely gonna rally.
Mm-hmm.
Do you still believe in that?
Yeah, Car, I see you.
Strat King said, y'all already know I want the Asia high of the week from Sunday Open. That just can't be. It can be. You just save it for much later. But yes, I do know that would be a hell of a rally all the way up to Monday, bro. That's Strat King. I'm sorry, bro. That's super dovish, right? If you going all the way for that Sunday night high, that's gonna be super dovish, and that's gonna probably be like. Let me do. I'm looking at the NQ. If it were to rally all the way up to that high, bro, that's gonna be almost a 3% rally on the NQ to the upside. That's gonna be over 600. That's gonna be over 600 points.
Yeah, I want that trade, say.
To the upside?
Yes, because
hey, I don't really care.
No. You know why?
He said, "Oh, so hold up." Larry said, "Nope. Unless they push price up in Asia, London, then the fall will continue." Okay, All right. So Larry's like, it don't matter. Okay, brother. I'm with you.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah. I mean, here's my take. NFP, right? We holding NFP. We come down to that mid, Larry. We keep holding. Like we find buyers. We got out a little bit last night and drop back in. This yellow candle. Let me clear this up so you can see it clear. Hold on. Give me 1 second.
All right. It's 8:00. Carl, you said it. We broke long, but what the fuck was that sell at 8:00 just now?
Crazy,
yeah, they
about to take me out.
You said what happened?
They playing games.
They about to take me out.
Yeah, to see, this is exactly why I said I might not
take me out, bro.
Oh wow! Look at that rally. Yeah, buddy. There goes. That's the push.
What's going on, baby?
Maybe that sale was just to get in.
Shiznip. Yeah, pump that then. Pump it.
Yeah. Facts. Golly, that was a hell of a reversal.
That's crazy, bro. I'm scared of this market.
Yeah.
Oh, tomorrow is about to get real, boy. Oh my God. I can see it now.
Yeah, right.
I see it now, boy.
I do not like what that just did. That was crazy. Look, it's down again.
Yeah, I'm let me lock I'm about to lock my account. I'm not even
all right.
I'm adding to this.
All right. Yeah, I see this better now, right? But
yeah, lock me out. Okay, yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So let me boom. There we go. This is much better for you guys. All right. So this is that yellow candle. And what are you doing? What are you freezing? Is the NFP range. Last NFP. We came in, touched that metal, and rally. Came back into rally. If we get out from here tomorrow, we're gonna rally hard. We never did retest Wednesdays, hey? We never did it. We just straight down. We already took previous week low. And we in the zone that people like, institution like this, right? They like it. They like that monthly mid. This is where they at. It's funny how we got here and they acting. They coming. None of this was buying. I didn't like none of this. I said, no, I'm not buying this. I'm not buying it. No. Now it's getting interested. If we reject this hard, then I can see the 22,700 that I talk about on Tuesday. I say I wanted to see 22,700. That can happen. Damn, and if we close below here, and that's only 2% from right now. That's only 2%, 400 points. Right?
Somebody saying something. Not to cut you off. This is a weird candle.
Dog, yes, it is.
I know it's open, but I'm staying in it, but
Nvidia ordered halt to H20 chip production. Oh, they're talking about Nvidia. They're talking about Nvidia Quadree.
What they saying? It must be something good.
Cause this joint tweaking.
Yeah, just Nvidia, but it's not nothing crazy though. It's just
that was 2 minutes ago.
Yeah.
That halting means they stopping. This joint pushing up. That don't mean
right. I was like, shit. I should have took that entry. I was like, damn.
I don't know. Jesus, I might go lower. Might be a fake.
You said what?
We'll see. Like we got 1 more minute on this 5 minute or 26 seconds. If we push higher, then that's the low. Right, let's see here.
Now another thing is that I'm very mindful of. We don't make high low weeks on Wednesday. Zay and Quadree. We do not make low. We don't want. If we like, we can obviously, but it's not a high statistical low week. Same thing. Same thing was for Sunday night. We did not make higher week on Sunday, and it's very weird. We could have a drop, crazy rally, or up and drop. It could be a nasty ass day tomorrow, bro. A lot of
I
emotion on
mean,
the table.
here's the biggest thing I'm gonna say, bro. Like you said, it's not our job to try to predict the market. I'm gonna just say
No.
be prepared for volatility. That's the
Yeah.
one thing I know for sure. Tomorrow
Yep.
gonna be volatile as hell. Whether it's an up day, a down day, volatility is gonna rear its ugly head, and we're gonna see
We're
which way.
looking at right now. Look, this is not
Yeah,
normal in Asia. We're looking at it right now. This
yeah,
is
Asia's
going
getting crazy.
right up and down. Boom, boom, boom. You know, look, we're about to go long. We went long, one tick wonder. We're about to go short. So me, he's
Larry
not.
said, I'm thinking up and nasty drop. Yeah, trade what you see. Well, shit,
Mhm.
all I see is chop, Larry. All I see is a waiting game.
Shit.
Yeah. Yep. Now, if you guys, I don't know who trade the 6 a.m. trade or car does.
I traded
You
with you,
sh-
bro. I'll be one for
but
you.
now you in it. But now sometimes the moon start at that morning. At 6 a.m. we start pumping, and
Oh,
it was
man.
damn,
Bro,
and
this is getting wild, bro. What is going on here?
uh,
Golly.
there you go. Now,
God dang.
yeah, nah.
This is I thought we were going long, then we look like we're going to go short.
That's not a loan for me, car.
That was
He knows.
wild.
He knows. Yeah, yeah. I'm staying on the sideline, coach. Yeah, 20
That's
points
fine.
right there. Hell yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
What on the NQ?
Yeah, I don't like this. This is yeah. Yep.
Yeah, this is giving some weird vibes right now.
And Q's how any other market doing crazy shit too?
I
Why
mean
let
the
me see.
ES. Like if I show
Yes.
you the ES, yeah, I'll show you the ES on it. Let me like
Gold is
here's
dropping.
my huh?
The gold is dropping.
Yeah, so here's this was so I'm looking at the ES, and this was the first hour, right?
Yep.
Yeah, 1 hour.
Mm-hmm.
And we made a nice move up, and then we tagged this 60.99 perfectly and came all the way back down and took out the low. And now it's just been, if I go to a 15-minute, it looks even crazier, like
Right.
wild.
Yeah. Power hour.
Yeah, this is crazy work right here.
Yeah.
My crazy ass trading it too. This is all combine, by the way. This is not funded.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm glad I stayed away because I would have probably fucked some shit up, bro. Especially this candle here. This candle was wild. It took out the whole damn range. It went from 99 all the way back to 91.
So you remember when we closed the Bibis yesterday? We closed at that 50%. So we gap up today. We sold it, but we closed above it. That means higher, but higher range, like expect higher range. I was taking the Q4 to bury London long, which she did. TP was 2 point about. Damn. You got stop out car?
I'm on this to the downside. I need this thing to print, baby.
Yeah.
You short?
Yes, sir.
Quadree be flipping like crazy. God.
Bro.
Yo, shoot. I'm
He
riding
don't,
them
he
all.
don't, he,
This is
he
combine.
on it.
This is not how I trade, though. This is not how I trade. I'm trying this. I'm just trying.
Fastly shit. Yeah, okay. Yeah, car. Damn, man. Shit bullshit right now.
Yeah, this is crazy,
Yep.
bro.
Yeah. Well, yeah, that's telling you right there that Paul is in town, baby.
He already know what he already know what he finna do. Today was the first day, so they already eating their little dinner, drinking their wine, they laughing, talking their jokes. Probably going rough right now.
Mm-hmm. My weekly low is 22,700.
Yo, we just created a new little day too, bro.
Mm-hmm.
The new low, what?
We just created a new little day too with that drop.
Oh yeah, for sure.
That's what I'm saying. It took out that first hour low. That's
Mm-hmm.
we want to see what happens here, man.
Yeah, man. Let me see. Let's see what we do. Yeah.
Shit.
But yeah, man, that's how I see. I see we either drop city and then go up, or go up and then down.
I just see a wild ride, bruh. That's all I see. I see a wild ride.
Yeah.
And tonight is telling me it's gonna be a wild ride because I definitely didn't think we was gonna get any type of really good PA tonight. And the market said, "Hold my beer." Woo! We are about to let loose, bruh.
Yeah. Ooh, damn, god damn, what the
Let's
hell?
go. Printing. Let's go.
There you go.
Let me go break even. I ain't stupid now.
Yeesh.
Let's go.
Yeah, I got 14 micros on this bad boy. Let's go.
Okay. He said, I think the going to slow massage this thing up through Asia, London, if they want to sell it off. They want to do it from the lows. So, all right. Here's one of the things I gotta say though, is that so let me just run this thought process by folks, right?
Mm-hmm.
I was looking at the NQ. I'll do the NQ and then I'll also do the ES, right?
Target hit.
Now, quick. Now I know the ES the NQ is down almost 2.5%, right? But it's not out the question. It's not out. What happened?
I'll put it in the chat.
Wait, Quadree, you had something to say? So it's not out the question for this for the NQ to take out this low.
Nah, this drop is crazy, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, my fault sake. We dropping hard, bro.
They're hard. The chips, boy.
Are we?
They
well, fuck what I'm about to say. I need to go look. What's happening?
Yeah, we dropping crazy, bro.
They doing dirty. That's what I'm talking about.
Yo, what the hell is happening, bro?
They halted.
Let me put up
Nvidia, bro.
Hold to Nvidia.
They halted Nvidia. My joint was at 208. We at 194.
You said they halted Nvidia?
They halted. When he said that, I had to register what he said. That's bad news. Nvidia instructed.
So what did he say?
They instructed suppliers to pause H20 related work.
Nvidia did.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
So they halted the chip. He kept saying that. I'm like, yo, that's bad news. I'm like, let me sell this thing. Yeah. Nvidia orders halt of H20 chip production. Oh man, Nvidia about to drop like $10. Let me see where's on live on her doing right now.
I send it to you, Zay, in the chat.
Okay, I'm about to check.
See, look, this a popping night. We getting news.
Yeah,
we getting a lot, bro. I'm like, I'm feeling a little FOMO. Shit, I should have traded.
No, Nvidia only down $2-3, but it did take a sharp. I don't know. You can see it. It took a sharp. It took a sharp dip real quick. I can't really see it because my drink blurred out. I'm blurring my background.
Damn, that was a good short, bro. Jeez. Yo, and see what's crazy too. So I'll at least talk about this. So while you was in that short, Quadree, I'm looking at this. I didn't really register what that news was. I should have kind of asked you for clarity.
Look at that.
Dre, I ain't gonna front, Dre. I've been loving throwing the
Fib on that first. You see Nvidia?
I don't. Hold up. Let me
see Nvidia, right?
I'm gonna just go ahead and that's Robinhood.
Yeah, but you see how it dropped? That's the drop.
Yeah. I'm about to go look at it. I'm about to go on and look at it too, real quick.
Damn, say that shit was sweet right there. Wow, damn.
The Fib, right?
Yeah.
So that's what I was saying though, Dre. So teaching moment was I've been throwing that Fib on the first hour. My nigga, look at this fucking look. All the way down to my level 2 extension, bro. Golly, that shit. I should have took that trade. I would have been done. Fuck.
Ray saying, "Yo, Nvidia halted chips." I'm like, nah, hold on.
But I didn't really register that you said Nvidia halted chips. I thought it was already.
Yeah.
That's why I was 14 contracts in, bro. When I'm like,
good shit. Okay, I see. But they buying it back up already.
I know, but listen, I need that. What I caught 30 of them points, and Dre know where I took that trade and where it ended at too.
So you done for the night?
Oh yeah, I'm done, bro.
Good shit.
I'm done.
Yeah, it looks like it was just Nvidia they doing dirty like that. Cause I'm looking at other shit and I don't really see nothing. Damn, that was a golly. Look at that candle. That was 10 points. Fuck. That was a good ass.
Bro, and this candle right now, 15, this 8 o'clock candle.
Is that out of stock, bro?
Dropped 60 points. Huh? What you said?
Is that out of stock, low?
We got your screen up, Dre.
Yeah. We got a high and a low out of stock, bro. This shit.
So you, bro. Come on, fellas. Y'all know tomorrow's about to be crazy. Y'all know it.
It's about to be wicked tomorrow, boy. I ain't gonna lie. I might have to blow an account. I'm doing 30 contracts. I ain't even gonna lie, boy. Forget it's a once in a lifetime moment, bro. I'm about to run it up.
Yo, my guy is hilarious.
This is bad trading advice. I'm just talking. I'll still trade my strategy tomorrow.
Yay. This guy funny as hell, bro. Yo, car. Save cars.
Yeah, this Asia session.
Let me talk to. Yeah, I need car to take a mental break, and we're gonna trade tomorrow at 6 a.m., bro. This shit about to be crazy, bro.
Yeah, tonight's about to be pretty wild, bro.
Oh, this is Asia.
Yeah, man. This shit nasty.
So what's the strategy tomorrow, Dre? We gonna wait till we talk, or we gonna trade regular?
No, we're gonna wait 6 a.m.
Nah, not the 6 a.m. I'll do 6 a.m. with you. I'm talking about for the open.
Oh,
6 a.m. I'm gonna trade regular.
Yeah, I mean, well, we're gonna be. Say you're gonna open the room, right?
Yeah, but I'm not gonna open the Zoom until
9:50.
I like 9:30, 9:45.
Yeah, okay.
He don't talk till 10.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know if I should just wait till like 10:30. Chat, what y'all think? What y'all think, man? Y'all, we should wait till 10:30, make 10 o'clock, make that move. Cause I'm trying to catch the volatility, bro. Wherever he talking, I might have to play. We might gotta put him on the big screen and be like, man, I hear he ain't doing nothing. I'm just shorting it with no stop. With no stop, bro. Gotta let the trade run. Y'all boot camp members know, bro. Ain't no stop. No stop.
No stop.
Negative R, boy. Get you that the reward.
Bro, they are compounding the bad news already.
And we about to reverse all this back to watch.
Huh?
Give all this back to watch.
Damn,
I logged out
bro.
my account. I logged out. I'm good. I logged out of everything.
Good shit, bro.
Yeah.
You know what? I need to take a look at crypto, bro. That's another thing I need to take a look at.
By the way, oh yeah, I started. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, Dre. I sold that name, bro, and bought Ethereum, bro.
Oh, you did?
Bro, I just think Ethereum gonna do some things, man.
Oh wow. The
thing is with that, the thing, yeah. Good shit, Car. I know why you took that loan. I see you. Quadree, you see why Car took this loan?
Yes, I did. Yes, I do.
He knows. He got it too.
Yeah, Carl. You slick. You think you slick, Carl? Good trade, though. That was a good trade, though. No lie. Good trade. Good trade. Perfect. Perfect.
Yeah. Cardinals. What up, Alpha? What's cool, baby? 18, baby. Hell yeah.
Why y'all calling yourself the 18?
No, most times it drops.
So how you think my team did today on our presentation?
Oh, yeah, they good. They really did. You guys surprised me.
No, whoever went first on Monday, they went crazy.
Oh yeah, nah, they got
crazy.
some crazy.
That Monday team went crazy.
Yeah,
because
you know you got Cody there. That guy is different, bro. Cody Pack Trey, you know him?
I mean, I see him in the group.
Nah, on Twitter, he popping.
You told me about him, yeah.
I
gotta go follow.
Yeah, and they got the other kid that I told you. What's his name? Twits. Another killer.
Dude, your Patriots losing, by the way, and the Steelers losing. Y'all trash. Both y'all teams losing.
Oh, I already told you we're gonna be trash. I'm not a believer.
You know, today is the people who try to make the team for real for us last preseason.
Yeah, I mean, talk to me next week, bro, when it matters.
No, 2 weeks from
now. Talk to me when it's goddamn close to the playoffs. That's all.
I'm trying to go to the banner drop. I'm not an Eagles fan, but I'm trying to see what that's like though.
Yeah,
those $700 to sit at the highest level, bro, on Lincoln Financial Field, bro. It's crazy.
What field? Eagles?
Yeah, for the game on 2 weeks from now.
I hate them people, bro. They like to fight, bro. Eagles fans like to fight, bro.
Man, you ain't.
They like to fight,
bro. About Philly, they carry open carry state. You gotta be careful out there. You can't just be talking.
What, in Philly or PA?
Yeah, it's just weird how you could just like literally. I cross a 1 minute, not even 1 minute, 30-second bridge, and I could carry a gun on me. But here, I gotta carry the gun separate with the bullets in the trunk. That's stupid. I'll be dead.
Yeah, that is wild right there.
That's that dude.
Oh, not hold up. Don't shoot me. I need to get my bullets. What the fuck you saying?
You funny, Dre.
Yeah, that's one thing. They do gotta change that though. I can't be walking around empty-handed.
Right.
No
man saying, "Hold up, I gotta get my bullets."
Yeah, Larry. They like to fight there, bro. I hear a lot of stories from my.
Yeah, they do.
I've never been to.
I mean, they only want to fight you though if you're wearing the wrong jersey though. Like you want to go to Philly and wear a Cowboy jersey or a Giant jersey. That's stupid.
Right.
That's suicide. Every time I go there, I just wear their color.
Yeah.
You wear green?
Yeah. I rock with the Eagles. I'm a Ravens fan, but I like. I mean, when you around this area, it's hard for you not to like the teams, though. Like even.
So you like the Jets and the Giants?
No.
I used to be fun fact. I used to be a Jet fan, man. Back in the day, they had they had what's my man name? That the dude with the water pistol, Chad Pennington.
I was like,
Santana Holmes.
Yeah.
What's my running back name?
Who?
I think Curtis. No, was it Curtis Martin?
Yeah.
Yeah, we had him. Yeah, Santana Moss.
That's probably the last time they was good.
Yeah, bro. And guess what?
And Reeves.
All my teams win championships. That's why I had to go to the Ravens, bro. Once Lamar got
y'all ain't win no championships yet.
Lamar won one. I mean, the Ravens won one in 2012. I was there for Ray Lewis last.
Oh yeah, with Flacco. You right.
Yeah.
You right.
Yeah, like think about when Flacco won, I was only like 12.
Lions.
And he like 40 now.
Yeah. Ali said, come to the link at your own risk. Go Birds. Yeah, you're right about that. Yo, my mom and my sister are Eagles fans. Boy, they they wild, bro.
Bro,
good luck. They do be wilding, bro.
Yeah, man. Kevin H said Lamar is a choker.
Oh.
Yeah, man. Just put respect on Lamar's name. Greatest quarterback of all time.
He said, was you a Ray Rice fan?
If you don't win or not. Greatest quarterback of all time, bro.
No.
That ring stuff, I don't want to hear it. In football, see, basketball, you play both sides of the ball. See, football, you don't. That's why I be hating that debate. Everything I go right in football. Injuries, you got to be healthy. Like, come on, bro. The sorry Giants beat the Patriots twice, bro. They weren't even nice. They were 7-9 that year.
Listen, I'm a Patriots fan. I can never talk trash about the Giants because they beat me twice, bro. I respect them for real.
Yeah, bro. Carl. Ray Rice went to my college though. He a GOAT.
You went to Rutgers, bro?
He went to Rutgers, right?
Yeah, I'm Rutgers alum.
What? Your brother?
Yeah, bro. I can show you, bro. Hold on.
Hey, yo, you want to know something funny, Quadree, about the Rutgers, bro?
What?
So this how you know this super old right here. So I'm definitely about to age myself. But when I was a freshman in college, or maybe even high school, maybe I was like senior high school, freshman college.
Bro, I think I'll be playing. Hold on. Now I'm a Seminoles fan. Don't get me wrong. I'm Tallahassee. I'm not the Seminoles.
What was the last? I think the last NCAA football. Oh yeah, he got the hoodie joint. So Quadree, when I used to play NCAA. Yep. I used to play with the Rutgers. I used to make them mad nice. I used to do like the heavy. Like I used to.
They had.
I would create, but this I used to cheat though. I created a player, and I would put him on the team as a freshman, and then I would basically use him, crush the 4 years, and by the time I was done with the created player, I was so good I could recruit all the 5 stars and shit like that on NCAA. Now, mind you, this was like NCAA 06. So this was when it was like super easy to do that. My boy got all the Rutgers gear.
I spent so much money there. I got a lot of degrees.
What year you went out there, Quadree? Let me find out.
I got a lot of degrees there, brother. I got a lot of money invested in that school, boy. Shoot, you crazy? I ain't got no gear.
What year you went?
No, I ain't want to tell my age. I'm young. I'm a young boy.
Okay. So let me find out. You used to eat the fat bastards sandwich?
Yeah. The fat bitches. All that shit.
That was
Dark
nice.
Knight.
Yeah.
That's the name of the sandwich. That's the name of the sandwich.
You know I was there heavy, bro.
Dre, how far are you from Rutgers?
Like 45 minutes.
Oh, okay. So it's you like right there.
Well, that was the spot Thursday night. Rutgers, we out. Let's go.
Dre by MetLife, bro. Dre far as hell. I'm like 10 minutes out.
Oh, so you?
I be at the. Y'all go to games
like super North Jersey.
Yeah, I go to the games for free, bro. I just walk up in there. I got my you get your alumni joint. So, but
you talking about the Rutgers games or
the Rutgers football and basketball? Yeah.
Mm.
I was there this year for the basketball, but they was trash. They got all them nice dudes. Trash.
Yeah, but then y'all had 2 cats that got drafted.
They was listen. Basketball.
Matter of fact, y'all had what's his boy name? Y'all had Harper's son.
Harbor and Ace Bailey. Yeah,
and Bailey. Yeah, that's what it is.
Look, this is my problem with NIL. And listen, bro, they come to the games iced out. I'm sitting here trying to learn how to sitting here trading every day. They iced out already. The NIL is different. Iced out, boy. You stay on shining.
Getting that bread, boy.
They just started growing mustaches and stuff and they don't shine. Nah, but
yeah. I used to. That was my guy, Ray Rice.
Yeah, and they had Leonard, bro. That year, bro.
So let me find out, Quadree. You ever been to Studio 69?
Yeah.
On Route 9?
Yes, sir.
Damn,
so we threw a party there for Ray Rice.
Now you got all day tomorrow, Zay. Don't go stress with that. You go all day tomorrow.
No, I'm not stressing. I'm just like that. Nvidia news was whew. Damn, that was on time. But I think they bought Nvidia back up, just FYI.
Yeah, it was only down $3.
Yeah, like it was it wasn't that big of a dip.
Yeah.
And actually no, it's back down $3. Okay.
Yeah. Nah, but
we got a little higher. I'm not sure this. Let me see.
Even AMD got hit a little bit. What's on y'all shopping list for this correction?
Palantir.
No, for real.
For real, I want that bad boy at 80.
Okay, so we got Palantir. What's on your shopping list, Dre?
For me, Tessie.
Tesla. And Tesla can get down to 199, 180.
No, that far.
Bro, you gotta think we don't know if we trying. Listen, I'm just a wish list. You said what's on my list. I'm wishing.
I told Zay I like 283 on Tessie.
I think you're gonna get that, bro.
If I get
I think it's back at 319. Is it back at 319? Yeah, I think it's gonna get back down there.
I'll tell you what that target at. I got an alert at. Yeah, I got you riding the money. I got an alert at 285, bro.
Yeah, that's what I want. We get there, bro. I'm going in. Let me see if I take these shorts. I'm gonna see.
No, but answer your question. Like I'm already in Nvidia. I'm in Meta, so I want to get a position in Palantir. I want to get back in Robinhood. That's really it for me. I mean, I like tech companies. I'd rather.
Why you like Zay? Say, yeah. What's your shopping list looking like?
Apple.
New Zealand. Apple. Let me see. BA.
Right now, for certain, all I can say is Apple.
Right.
I need to, I was going through and I was looking at some names. I'd say, you know what? Apple. Low key. Soxel. SOXL.
Yeah.
So why you pervert? Why them over SMH? You trying this option play or shares?
Option play.
Okay.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
To be honest, man, when it comes to shares, bro, I usually don't really add until we get like those big corrections. Cause I just try to dollar cost average, and until we get like those really good entries, I just try to keep my cost basis as low as possible. So once those pullbacks do happen, that's usually when I get shares. And then in between, and I kind of just play the options game to kind of just build up cash. So when we do get another good like entry, I could just buy my shares. Cause dog, when it comes to shares, I want to keep my costs as low as possible, bro. Like I hate like I know people like, oh, you should just like dog, like some of my shit, I got good cost basis on some, so I really don't want to average up. So I'm like, bro, I need a really good discount. Like, to be honest, that's the reason why I really haven't added to like the quantum stocks, right? Because like, bro, I got my cost basis on a lot of them shits is under $1. I'm not I'm not about to. No, I cannot see myself adding when my cost base is under $1. Like now, mind you, I will say early in the year we probably had a good shot because a few of them came down to like $4 or like they made some pretty good lows. That was probably my next best time to add to them, but like I missed that. You know what I'm saying? Like my QUBT dog, my cost basis on them shits is 85 cents. That's just like $16 now. I'm not about to average up on that, bro. Like, it's not happening. I'm just gonna stick with what I got and call it a day.
Right. That's right.
He's one, yo. One of my friends, bro. Remember Xavier talk about like having like don't take your own advice. One of my friends is up like 650%, bro.
On what?
On the quantum stocks, bro. Like that's his average. That's all he got.
I mean, that's all you need for real, bro. That was a power play, bro. That play, dog. Woo. I still sit here and be like, damn, why I ain't put more on that motherfucker, dog?
Bro, that was crazy.
But all good. It definitely was a good lesson for where if I ever see a new emerging technology and I know I can get shares under $1, I'm going crazy.
I'm gonna get back in the IONQ though. I'm gonna get back in there.
Yeah, see, like my cost basis on that one is like under $10. That's the one that probably has the highest cost basis because when we added that was the most expensive one. That's what I'm saying. It was like $7, $9 when we started talking about it. So that's probably the one that's the most expensive. That's like the one that has the highest cost basis, but all the rest are like under $1 and shit. King Rail said Pan W, Zscaler, Palantir, Apple, AMD. That's a solid 5 right there, bro.
Yeah.
I like that. That's a solid starting 5 right there. Super solid starting 5. I like that. That. Looks like you went short, Dre, or no?
I'm waiting for the new 15 minutes.
I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. I'm waiting for 9:00 if because the way that candle, if you look at like, well, I'll share my screen, but the way this hourly is looking, I'd rather just let this play out, see what happens, and then get a fresh new hourly start and see where we go from there. But I know you a scout king, so for me, I gotta wait. Plus, I think I'm locked out till 10:00 anyway. I was like, so I can't even do that anyway.
Yeah.
But damn, I'm actually surprised we got a little bit of action this Asia session, man. I was fully expecting for us to come in tonight and nothing really pop off and it'd be a boring night.
Yeah.
I was fully expecting for this to be a boring ass night. Let's see what's YM. Nvidia just said expect some pre-earnings news Monday. Oh my god, bro. All this news, I'm not like, this is not a good thing. Like, I don't see this as a good thing, bro. The CEO made a little video clip. Like, why you only trying to get ahead if
something bad?
Where is this the first time they miss?
Look.
Oh my god!
Because it's not. They've been on fire for a while. And what would be the perfect time for them to miss?
Here's the thing. It's not. I don't even know if it's a miss, bro. It don't even got to be a miss. It's just not going to blow out expectations like they always have.
Right.
You know what I mean? Like, I think they have been beating expectations by what, like 100% every quarter for the last so many quarters. They might just come in line and people going to be like, well, slowdown's happening, sell it. Yeah, Winston said he unboxing robotics or something on Monday. I don't think it's about the numbers. It's about something. Oh, it's about robotics. Okay. Well, we're going to see. And UNH, grab me some more leaps. Gotcha. Nice little diversity there, King Rail. Add a little bit of 12 quarters straight. Right. That's what I'm saying. It's been like, what you looking at, Dre? What's this on your chart?
Microsoft. I do not like this chart.
Oh yeah, Microsoft been breaking down pretty heavy.
And I didn't buy my put. Fuck. But like, where the Qs is telling us what's really about to happen. The Q in the way.
Listen, bro.
I'm not gonna lie about it.
I was looking at the weekly, bro. The NQ could do a 2-3% day tomorrow, and that's going to bring it right down to my like one of my moving averages, bro. That's going to be a very nasty, like, weekly bearish engulfing candle.
Yeah. One, I know you see healthcare. Healthcare moving. It was green today.
What?
Yeah. I think it was a little green. If it wasn't, that made me lie. XLV.
No, no. Hold on. I'll show you Alpha Profits. I got you. Let me pull up my screen real quick.
What Alpha Profits?
I said if the NQ sold off, it'll go to my weekly moving average. He asked me if it was my 200. This white line is my 21 EMA. Alpha Profits, and so where the NQ currently stands right now, to get down to that white line would be an additional like 3%, like 3%. So that's why I'm saying, like, tomorrow, I mean, shit, like, no bullshit. The NQ could put in in order for it to take out this engulfing candle low, we already talking about almost a 2% day. So you throw in an extra percent, you go down to 3%. Correct me if I'm wrong, Dre. Ain't this a breaker or whatever the fuck kind of candle y'all call that shit?
That red candle is a breaker.
Yeah, red candle's a breaker.
Nah, what's this candle right here? What y'all be calling this?
That's a regular candle.
Yeah.
Oh,
that's the weekly. Yeah.
So then I'll just look at it like this, and I'll just tell you this pivot right here.
Yeah, that's a pivot for you.
At the end of the day, we can come down to this pivot, which is 22,740.
Yeah, that's my level.
Go back to the candles, bro. So that red candle right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So just draw a box around that candle. Yeah, right one. Because right now we have
this one don't do ICT because
right now we had the 50%, bro. We break that bad boy. Oh my god.
On the weekly, it get nasty. Yeah,
that is. Oh my god.
All I'm saying is, if we could hit this goddamn engulfing low, bro, this 22,775, that's gonna be pretty. That's gonna be good work. That's about a 2% down day for the NQ. And if I go to the ES, I think we was talking about it. I could see the ES going down to at least this 63.16. And again, if it's going to take out this engulfing low, we talking about 62.39, which if the ES did something like that, you know, the ES that's a 2% day on the ES to get down to this engulfing. So yeah, man. What would be 2% to the upside from here?
To the upside.
2% to the upside would be 65.27. And the NQ, because I'm not about to be biased. If the NQ bounce, say 2% from here, that's going to get you back to 23.7. And in order to engulf this candle, we would need a 3% day, which is about, let's just say back to 23.9, 24,000 is going to be about a 3. That's going to be a fucking 700-800 point day. God damn.
I want sauce. I want to be in that.
Yeah, that's going to be crazy. Alpha said the only thing that got me sus is that this is the obvious. I'm with you, bro. I hate that this is just, it's so obvious. But this is the caveat, Alpha Prophets. This is why, while it is obvious, this is the one thing I keep trying to reiterate to myself is that tomorrow's meeting, it is a significant macro shift, right? Depending on what he say, you know, shout out to my guy Erite, his stool. You got macro, fundamentals, and technicals. This ain't no like normal FOMC meeting or anything like that. Like this meeting is going to have some significant impact, right? And so while it may be obvious, it's just it kind of downplays how significant this symposium is. And we all know this symposium is pretty significant, right? So I'm not gonna downplay the significance of this meeting just because something seems obvious, you know.
Yeah.
And right, he says everyone and their mama want to be short. That's not true. Because like I just said, that's not true. I've actually asked some people, and some of people I know are like, bro, people are bullish. People are still buying the dip. Yeah. So not everybody is short, bro. Not everybody is short. He said, I get it. M2 has been growing. All it takes is they officially accept that they are going in dovish and it's on. I agree. You know, I agree. He said, dear Uncle Jerome, burn.
Can Ralph be funny?
He said, Larry said, yeah, my downside nasty work targets. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm with you, Larry. We get that right move, bro.
Striking said, you saw what Yusuf said while he was talking with the buns. So yeah, I did see his tweet when he basically was saying it's gonna be like some new policy stuff, and you know, it could be a face ripper. Listen, my boy Mike, I don't know if Mike watching, but Mike had made a good point, bro. Everybody got an opinion. Everybody got something to say. Nobody knows, right? Everybody got something to say, but nobody knows. So with that being said, that's it. That's why I have no expectations. I'm completely neutral. All I say to myself is this: is if he's dovish, I think the market will rally. If he is if he's non-committal / hawkish, I think the market goes down. That's all I'm sitting on. As far as what I think he's gonna say, I don't fucking know. You know. Check the sentiment. Most folks heavy bullish. Yep, there is some market structure that needs to be tested to the downside. I agree, man. That's the only person that knows. That's key. No expectations. Yeah, bro. I have no expectations, bro. I'm just gonna let price do what it do, and when he start talking, I'm gonna see what he say. I'm gonna see what price do, and I will go from there, bro. Because we can rack our brains all night talking about if this, if that.
I'm saving that, bro.
At the end of the day, we just going, when price do what it do, we gonna react. That's it.
I'm saving that energy.
You said what?
I'm saving that energy for
Right.
this thing. Why you gonna? No.
Right. Yeah. Oh, you know.
Let me see. 9 o'clock. We getting this short, bro. Let me see.
Trump started tweeting at 8:39. Gonna give us. Yeah, we're gonna see. So, okay. Now that you say Trump tweet, though, I think that's something else too, right? Is let's say Trump or not Trump. Let's say Powell, right? This is one. I won't even say this is a what if. This is a what's gonna be Trump's reaction after Powell is done talking. Right? If he's dovish, then okay, the pressure that Powell has put on him is worked. If Powell's hawkish, y'all know Trump gonna go though. He's going to go in.
All right.
He gonna go in. That's gonna be another, something else. Jay said if 6,300 gets lost, all down from there. First hedger spot. I agree. You lose 6,300. You lose 6,300. You can get to 6,200 very fast. That ain't nothing but 100 more points. That's all you could do. One thing to do is have your upside targets and downside targets. Absolutely, Larry. And that's what I keep iterating to all my people is like, yo, do not get set into one mindset. And Dre and Quadree will tell you what I've been saying in the chat. I've been the one like Powell gonna be dovish. I've been sending little dove tweets because everybody just thinks he's gonna be so hawkish. I'm like, bro, you cannot. We don't know. He might actually come out and surprise people. I think I was even saying it Tuesday. Powell gonna be a dove, man. I think everybody that keep coming to me like he gonna be a hawk. I'm like, nope, he gonna be a dove. He gonna be a dove. He gonna be a dove. I keep saying it just so that way I'm mentally prepared because this mofo come out and be dovish, bro. It's gonna catch a lot of people off sides. I'll say that. See, look, I'm getting tweets now, bro. Yo, I'm about to, you know what? I'm about to just tweet this GIF just to be fun.
I do tell you this: we are in a risk-on environment. I'll tell you that. Whether or not that change, I don't know.
What makes you say we're in a risk-on environment?
Data.
Huh?
Data, just in general.
Like, all right, what data though?
Just like so if you just take down to give you exacts.
Let me push your screen up.
But now I'll put it on the screen. I'm looking at Chipotle.
But no, you say what you okay, all right, here you go. All right, I got you. So yeah, let's share with the people why you think we in or why you say we in a
so you got the inflation growth index, they all are up. And then you gotta look at it like from like Dre know why. I can't give this sauce away, but there is once we how can I put this? I'm gonna do it on my other screen so you can't see. But
all right, if you gotta hide something, hide it. Yeah. We'll go back to Dre's screen because he's looking.
So like the level, all right. So like pretty much, we have to break 5,900 on the SPX for us to be really concerned, right? So it's a combination of you gotta think about it. As we say, data supports the data that we have. We shouldn't be cutting rates, right?
Correct.
Inflation, right? Not inflation. Unemployment is going to maintain the same, right, for a while. I think I put in the chat yesterday that next year's projected inflation number is 3%, which is higher than the 2%. So we'll actually be going up next year. Right? So how's that bullish? Because that means we still got room to. And also, I think in this year's theme is the labor market, right? So as long as our jobs numbers stay the same, I feel like it's still risk on. We have to see a change in that revision of September for that to, I feel like, to make a big difference.
Okay.
Right.
I mean, that was. I just wanted that for the people that's watching. That's all.
But we are in a like. I know, and Dre, you know, we are in a risky environment.
Yeah. Yes, we are.
6,000. That's where all the major hedging for September OPEX is at. Yes, sir.
There's a couple of things that.
The only reason why I asked that is you'll get counter arguments, bro.
Yeah. I got pushed though.
Bro, what the fuck, man? I keep
so like even me saying that though, I still want to hedge myself. I mean, and granted, like if he come out tomorrow and like you said, and we dovish and crazy, like that's all we doing here is playing hypotheticals. Like if we just like I want the stock market to go up.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Strat, can you like that? You like that, Jeff? Yo.
So you're having a blast, bro.
So this is one of the things about like my maverick personality, right? Is that I love to play devil's advocate or contrarian. And I really do feel like a lot of people just automatically assuming off rip that Powell is gonna like drop the hammer. Mm-hmm. And when I see that that's like the overwhelming majority, which they could be right, it automatically makes me go to my contrarian mindset to just say, what if? Like Alpha Prophet said, it almost seems too obvious, bro.
I tell you, best loser wins.
Yeah. So I'm just being what's the word? Facetious? Is that it? Like like I said, at the end of the day, I don't think data supports a rate cut, but it's just the fact that not everybody, a good majority of people that I see just have this assumption Powell's gonna lay the hammer. So it just makes me go to my mindset to say, well, what if, right? What if?
True. What if he wants to stay on and keep his job and give us a
1%? He said, Alfred said, versus other cycles, we haven't had the Fed accept it officially that they dovish neither. They had cut rates as hard as they have on previous bullish regimens. Tomorrow is do or die. I do feel like
if he give us 100 base point cut tomorrow, right? So look, if he does, somebody in the group says yesterday, I think it was what's his name, the army guy, I'm giving his props. Trey,
yeah.
So what if he like, yo, I ain't coming back next year. This is already a mess. Let me give them what they want. Let me make the situation worse than what it is. And then 26, he cut the 1% tomorrow. He not going to 25, maybe 75. Cut that drink down. We go.
Bro, we going all the way does tonight, huh?
We go rally up all the way rest of the year, and then next year they just give us Powell just he right off to the sunset. With a crappy market. That's when everything started hitting. Because I'm gonna tell you now, me personally, I work for a big corporation. Them tariffs not even in effect, bro.
You said they what?
Them tariffs not even in effect, bro.
They not.
They not.
Yo, well, okay. Let me ask you this: did y'all see what Walmart CEO said to them this morning?
Now you say he was going crazy,
bro. So he said every time they refresh orders, the prices is going up, and he was like, "Bruh, prices is going up Q3, Q4." Like he basically was like, "Yo, we're gonna try to hold prices as low as we can for as long as we can, but They going up. Look, Strat King just said it. Walmart CEO just tweeted they prices increasing by the week each restock. And Walmart getting hit. We all thank you, Strat King. My God, that's why I'm glad
I'm
you
gonna
took
say it this way though. I think this is what it is.
It's 9:00, by the way. So
yeah,
I know Dre.
No, she ain't knocking at my door right now. So, I'll tell you this: what these corporations are doing is front running price, bro. Use it as excuse, right?
Mm-hmm.
Take price, which means increase price as much as you can. So when they actually take effect, you already have a cushion.
Yeah.
Think about it. I think Powell was saying he was saying they raising the prices of refrigerators and washing machines, and there's not even tariffs in effect. You raise the price 20%. I'm willing to make the case they never go into effect. We went from April to August.
Yeah.
What was now October?
Well, yeah, they extended to October, I think. Yeah.
And I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know anybody saying I'm not buying anything because of tariffs.
Oh, correct. Yeah, people just like, bruh, shit getting expensive. They still shopping. They're just like, damn, these prices getting crazy.
Bro, no lie, I went to the mall on Saturday. That shit looked like Christmas, bro. I'm like, yo,
bro, you know me. I be outside. I went to two concerts that are very expensive, and they were packed out. And you talking about 60,000 plus?
Crazy, bro. People outside, man.
He said, hold up, I got some good comments. To the average person, that don't matter. It will be tariff related. We don't want Heinz ketchup at $7. Alvarez said, Strat King, $7 today is like 50 cents from 25 years ago. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That does sound good. If Powell cuts down rates, keeps his job, when he go out, it'll be a mess with just Q2 of midterm. That's the worst period, correct? That is correct. Q2.
And look at everybody price targets. Everybody price targets 7,000, 7,200.
Yeah, they went back up.
Yeah, but by May. They ain't talking about the second
next year.
Yeah, everything is by May. They ain't talking about that second half of 2026. And you already know Q3 known for a big old pullback.
Yeah,
we got a big pullback this Q3. I'm just saying what we know. I'm just guessing.
Looks like we fro here.
But it rhymes. He says we're gonna have a blow off top for sure, just like in 2017. Yeah, I mean, I think we can get the blow off top for sure, but what comes after that is not pretty.
No.
Damn. They ain't feel me, bro.
I'm with time. I wanted to hit 1,800, but it didn't.
I know. I ain't gonna front.
Here we go.
I was thinking about taking a short with you too, Dre.
Fuck.
Put my order in too late. Fuck. All right, I'll cancel it.
That was 15 point right there, bro.
Yeah,
quick. Damn. There go my trade without me.
And now he gonna at the Fed cook like he did Marilyn Mosby. He want another seat to get the cut because he know he can't fire Powell. Yeah, he doing a lot, man. He's doing a lot of manipulation, bro. It's his way or the highway.
Yep. Damn.
Yo, Dre, I'm looking at the ES and NQ. Looks like we're gonna get another 12-hour inside bar.
Yeah.
If you look at the 12-hour, it's setting up.
Yeah.
It's setting up.
Like this high today got me nervous that we didn't take that high. I'm like, whoa, we got all the way here. You're not gonna take that high?
Because it's gonna get it tomorrow, and then that's gonna be the pump fake. And then it's gonna reverse.
So yeah.
That's the pump. That's the pumpy fakey. Listen, matter of fact, Strat King is on here. He said that his inside source told him it's gonna be like an NFP. If that is the case, NFP is the type of move where you move one way, take out liquidity, and then reverse.
Right. Yeah.
There's a lot of upside liquidity that has been created during this de-risking in the Friday, which opens the door for a quick pop, and then he gonna say something that the market is gonna take the wrong way and reverse. Now, I do want to put out there, everybody, FYI, Jackson Hole, he does not take questions. So it's just gonna be his speech, and then that's it. It ain't gonna be no clarifying, none of that. It's gonna be Powell gonna say what he gotta say, and that's it. Ain't no reporters gonna be able to ask no questions or none of that. They gonna have to wait till September FOMC.
What?
I think he got a roll.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Hopefully everything good.
Yeah. He said he had to.
What?
He said we had to leave at 9 before.
Oh, okay. I ain't even catch that.
Yeah.
Let's see. Jay said liquidity is below and above. Yeah, it's a lot of upside, low resistance liquidity. I say engineer a lot of late shorters. We need that fuel to keep going up. And don't he usually be on for like an hour? Shit, sometimes it's just like 30 minutes, bro. He be in and out. He don't be on that joint super long, bro. But you right, probably about an hour, if that, maybe 30 minutes. It ain't gonna be long.
Damn. My thing is, bro, Bitcoin. Why is this shit dropping like that?
What did I say on our call? I said that was gonna be a key. Watch Bitcoin. It almost hit my alert that 111. That shit get below 111. That's why. See, and that's what I was saying, which is, I know, y'all saying y'all have y'all information that says it's risk on. This might be a late risk on where this shit is about to switch. And Bitcoin is one of those things where, again, I always say I think it depends on time frames. Because I mean, the fact that Bitcoin is above 100,000, I mean, like if you're looking at the secular bull market, yes, it is risk on. But if we go to a lower time frame, again, everything is de-risking.
Yeah.
So, and yes, Bitcoin is definitely a good foreshadow of what, that's another one of those ones where
there's three things I'm like. We saw today that source indicator is one that got me nervous. Bitcoin and the ratio that we track. I don't like.
I'm with you. My three is Bitcoin.
Yep.
The NAAIM, and then for me, bro, it's the VIX. I just think it's too calm, bro. The market is too calm going into this session, dog. If we was at 20, then I'd be like, okay, if he come in, he can calm shit down. It'll be good. But the fact that we at 16,
that's true.
It feels like the market based on, right? How people use the VIX with the current reading, it's giving off complacency.
Facts.
Because the question or the thing I'm looking at it is, okay, if he is dovish, then that means the VIX goes back down to that shit would probably go back to at least 1430, even possibly under 14.
Damn.
That's not very sustainable levels for the VIX, because when it gets down there, it typically bounces from there.
Facts. Yep. That's facts.
You know what I mean? And so under 1430, there's one like little last gap that's at 1380. Jay. Yeah, I was just about to say 1380. So the downside levels on the VIX will be 1430, 1380, and then 1270. If the VIX is gonna go down.
Yeah.
So, you know, for me, it seems very calm. Very right. We said the same word. Very calm. Like it's very calm. I'm like, damn, y'all. Do the market know something we don't know? Jay said the VIX is highly underpriced. I think so. Yeah, you can cut the tension building facts. But if not, Strat King said 35 VIX. Hey, Strat King, I'm gonna keep playing. Listen, I'm playing devil's advocate. I'm doing it as a joke. But I'm about to, just like I sent you the doves, I'm about to do another one for you. I'm about to do another one for you, Strat.
Yeah, we're having a blast, bro. Yeah.
Yo. Let's see.
Damn.
Cut
Look at that short playing out, bro. Missed that short.
With a knife. You said, let me go back to my chart. And Strat King, you're not exaggerating, bro. The VIX can run up to like 25 quick.
Oh yeah, hell yeah. What?
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah, man. Well, can't wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow's here, China.
Hey, Strat King, I just sent you another tweet, bro.
What's that?
Go look. October is looking like when the VIX will go crazy up to 47.5. Yeah, man. VIX can do some things, brother.
Yeah. I'm looking at some other thing.
Damn, bro, you're right. That short was live. That would have been, for me on the ES, that was a good 3 solid points, bro. I would have
called it. Yeah.
Would have took that. Yeah. Let me go back to, and then check this out too, Dre, bro. This again, I love them damn fibs, bro. Look at how we just keep respecting the fibs, bro. Just respecting the fibs.
Always look at that shit.
This entire Asia session, this the first hour candle. Hit this, or actually, my bad. Let me go in. Well, actually, I can keep it that way because if I think we go into the upside tomorrow first, I want to see what's the possible upside. You know, so it can go all the way up to about 64. But you can see we hit the 1272, came down, undercut this -5, but we keep bouncing off this. So for me, looking at the ES, if we could sustain below 68 or 63.8850, I would flip my fib to see, okay, what's the further extension to the downside. He said, y'all be blessed. I'll catch y'all the rest of the live later. 3. Oh yeah, no doubt, King Rail. I know you gotta get work, man. Appreciate you, brother. And if you off, we'll be live in the Zoom tomorrow too. Quadree said, if it do that, but we will get to 35 on the VIX. Yeah, we go down. Hey. We need that D-Day flash with liquidity on the VIX to clear out orders. Facts. So just for everybody, I'll go to the VIX, right? So looking at the VIX. And I'm gonna just put it on the line too, though. Make it real clear, right? So like while we joking around, bro, the VIX can get to, that's 20. really quick. And then if it really want to get going, that's 22. And then I think it even has some. It's got a gap up here. I mean, I know I don't really start the VIX like talking about, but I mean, like Strat King was being funny, but that gap is literally at 34.76 to 37. So 35 is not out the question, dog.
Not at all.
You know what I'm saying? So,
but damn, how many percent is there in a day? That's whoa.
To go up to get up to 35.
Yeah.
I mean, from where we are now to get up to that is 123%, bro. That's a lot.
Yeah, that's gotta be World War III.
So, I mean, let's think of it like this: March. Damn, in March when Labor Day, when the Liberation Day happened, the VIX did go up 100%, bro.
No, yeah, hell yeah.
What? Damn, I didn't even realize that. Sheesh.
It's possible. It's not out of the question.
That seems a lot. That seems pretty hefty, but
yeah, it does. It gotta be like some type of like he say something, then Trump tweets something like, "Oh, I'm gonna fire you tomorrow," type of shit.
That's my whole point. Is depending on how this presser go, like I said earlier, it ain't just gonna end with Powell. You got to think about as soon as his speech is over, if the market is not responding nicely, you know Trump gonna have a fucking hissy fit.
Yeah.
And look, Alpha Prophet just said it. That Don will be very upset when if he don't get if they don't cut in September, Trump is going goddamn. I don't know what he gonna do. He gonna blow a fuse.
Alpha. You remember that meme? Trump meme?
Oh, no.
He wasn't like that. No. Yeah.
So, and look, Dre bounced off that damn 63.88 again. So this is why I said I wanted to wait for 9 to see how this thing responds.
And this is why I go for short targets. Like the only trades I take for longer is that 930 trade, bro. Because
everything else you never
know. Yeah, because you never know. This is bound to be ridiculous, bro.
Yeah,
you be up 20 points. This should be up again.
The next thing you know,
You're mad. All right, take my profit, bro.
Nah, you right though.
Yeah, that's something I learned. Futures, take your prop. You see green, bro, take your green. Bro. Don't let that shit go for no. Don't let that shit go, bro.
Yeah, not playing. What the YM doing? Let's go take a look at the rest of the markets here. YM ain't really doing too much. What's RTY doing? I will say that's gonna be enough. I'm watching them tomorrow too, bro. Because if shit get popping, RTY, that's gonna be a hell of a short, dog. What? Put it this way, RTY, right, Dre, is the only. Well, I think RTY and YM have not tested their CPI runs yet, right? Yeah. So this was the CPI candle before we got the big run up, right? This box, we wicked it twice, but you can see we stayed out of it, right? Then the YM, it was, where was they CPI that? I think let me go back to RTY.
Carby tracking those two, the CPI.
Yeah.
I don't know if he's tracking RTY. I know he's tracking NQ.
And my bad. And then this is the YM's CPI.
Yeah.
Look how the YM got a lot of room.
That be how many points that be? 1,000 points? You know, she'd be crazy.
Yep. 800.
Yeah, man.
And which is a 2% day.
She does it. Dow we moving.
Yeah. Hell yeah! What the Dow can do 1,500 in a day. Nigga, what?
Yeah, that should be moving, bro.
But
that's
where's the other part though? So go ahead, say it again.
I said the Dow be moving like crazy. Yeah,
it do. And so here is the NQ CPI area. We below it.
Ooh,
And
that's
then you
great.
look at ES,
We
and
below.
ES CPI area is we right on it.
Okay. This shit making no sense, bro. Who's
So
right?
if I were to
Who somebody's
compare,
lying? Is NQ right? And they
right,
got to
I'm gonna do the
cash them?
YM here, and then I'm gonna do the NQ here.
Okay,
Like,
car.
and this is what they all like. If I'm comparing them, this is what you have,
Mm-hmm.
and then you got ES in the middle.
Mm. Right. Yeah.
Tomorrow's about to be fireworks, bro.
Yeah, I'm ready, bro. I'm even saving my like. I wanted to take that trade, but I that's it, bro.
Yeah,
I'm not
just
gonna.
wait, just wait,
Yeah,
just wait.
I'm not wait.
Like so, Quadree, good point, right? I do think tomorrow could be a day to play both sides. Like I think you'll get a false move to the
Mm.
upside or to the downside, and then it's gonna reverse. So there will be two trades offered probably, right?
Right.
You know, the longs will get an opportunity to exit, or to or the shorts will get an opportunity to exit, and then the other side is gonna get a opportunity to do their thing. So
Right.
we shall see.
Okay.
YM was 1,000 point drop in 2022. Jackson Hole. RTY IWM is a very rare folder driven. It exaggerates. It reacts for sure. Facts.
Mm-hmm.
I would probably say he tagged us on Twitter. Let me go see.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, let me go see. Oh, he put the Trump joint. Trump tomorrow after Powell doesn't get.
Yo, that's too funny, bro.
Let me make sure I'm following you back, bro.
That's my guy right there. Today.
Yeah, I got him now. We good.
Yeah.
I got him now. Here you go.
He knows a lot about crypto, bro. He's the GOAT. Like Solana, you want to know about Solana? That's the guy you talk to. I know you love Solana too, so that's why I told you. But
Nah, bro. The only thing I love is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Chainlink. I'm in Solana. Don't get me wrong.
I
I
know
have
you are.
Bitcoins,
Yeah.
but if I had to be real with you, the projects that I'm like passionate about and think that are good is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Chainlink. Chainlink, that's my boo. I
Yeah.
love Chainlink.
Right.
And honestly, I like Binance Coin too. Like at the end of the day, bro, Binance is a platform that's been around damn near longer than Coinbase, and I still got a bunch of Binance coins, like them four right there. And of course, you throw in Solana.
Yeah.
That's pretty much all I got. I used to love Cardano too, but I feel like you know what? I probably need to get back into, looking into that project more, but I just feel like it's been stagnant. Like it was one of those things where it's like, oh, it's research based. It's going to be so dope. Da, 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 da. But I'm like, bruh, it should have made some vast improvements or done something by now.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like it's gone a little bit stagnant. So I kind of fell to the wayside. But yeah, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, Binance Coin, a little bit of Solana.
Yeah.
That's all I need in my life.
Yeah, I got some low key bangers, but my thing is pump and dump. That's it. I'm not holding no shit.
Yeah. Oh, there's hella speculation plays. Don't get me wrong.
Yeah.
But like you said, actual projects that
Matter.
That I'm passionate about, or that I
There's a
really
project that
with.
is growing like on me. I'm doing some research about it. It's Matic. I like.
Oh, Alpha Prophet said, yeah, F crypto. My play is Soul. It's the ETH of this cycle, in my opinion. What's your price target for Soul? Alpha Profits?
You don't get him started. You're gonna go crazy.
I want to know what's your profit target? Carl, he said H bar. I've been hearing a lot about H bar, Carl.
Yeah, because H bar got. Yeah, H bar good.
And I also got to shout out our boy Trey, who in the runners. Trey's smart as shit.
Hell yeah.
He put us onto a project. Tao is the ticker, TAO, but I think it's called something else. Let me go look at it. Because I remember one time he called it a different name, and I was like, bro, what the hell is that? And then he said this was the ticker, and I was like, oh, you told us about it. I just didn't know it was called what it was called. But this joint here, Tao.
What the hell is that? Oh shit!
They had a crazy spike.
Yeah.
That's another one I'm watching.
I see you. Chainlink, I see you.
Bro, Chainlink. I'm telling you, bro, Chainlink the one though. That's for me. That's the one, bro.
That's the one.
I mean, outside of the big dogs, yes. Like, yeah.
Oh, there you go. Tau is equal big.
Yeah, there you go. Ben, yeah, that's the name he said. He said it, and I was like, what is that? And then he was like, he gave us the ticket. I'm like, oh, you did tell us about it. But yeah, Tao, yeah. So shout out to my dog Trey for that one.
Yeah, facts.
So
yeah. I think Alpha Profit like 700 on Solana, 800. I think he was looking for.
Yeah, he ain't tell me what's your price target on Solana, bro.
Go ahead, Alpha. Tell him.
I just want to see. I want to see what my if we in the same arena.
Yeah.
Carl said Chainlink just had a nice move this week, 18 to 25. Absolutely, bruh. Look at this monthly candle, bruh. Like, look at that move. Let's go, Chainlink. It's up 46% this month. Oh, I ain't even sharing my screen. My bad. Let me add it to the thing. Yeah, so Chainlink is up 46% this month. It went from $16 to $24. So, yeah, he said Link will be around as long as crypto's a thing. Absolutely. That's the reason why I love the project, Carl. You know what you're talking about, bruh. Listen.
Shit.
I love
Car
this
be crazy,
bro.
Yeah.
Yes, I love Chainlink. I've been in Chainlink for probably since back in 2017. Yeah, I think that's when I first picked up this project. So but yeah, I love Chainlink. So but I will tell you, Alpha Profit is my target for Solana is 418. Yeah, 418. And if I'm doing my proofing, I'd go from here to here. It might even line up with I don't want to extend. Then I go to the top of this. Yeah, so even if I proof it 409. So yeah, 400 is my I'll say that's like my first target. Once it gets to 400, I'll see where we can go from there. But yeah, this cycle, I can see Soul going up to 400, 418. If we talking like long term, I gotta run my market cap numbers then. I gotta run my market cap numbers on that one. I would have to figure out
what's a different beast.
Yeah, I would have to look at see what's their supply and think about long-term market cap. I don't know. Does Soul, do they like burn coins? Like I know there's they do. They do burn coins? Oh shit. So that means they have a reducing supply there.
Mm-hmm.
So if they do that, then whew, I mean, yeah, we could see that thing really fly. Quadree said E7500. I agree with that. Yep.
15.
He said, yeah, I got weak targets at 328 and 415 on Sol. Yeah, I'm with you, bro. Yep. No, it's inflationary. So are you saying Solana is inflationary or? Right. And then Quadree, you said E7500. I'm gonna keep it real, you bro. I got ETH going to 8,000, dog.
I got 15 on ETH, bro. That's the goal, 15? Right? Yes, sir.
I mean, long term, yeah, I can see that for sure.
This cycle,
yep. 8. I got 8 comfortable. 15, I got 8,000 comfortable. Dang, you get to 15. I'm happy with that. Listen, but yeah, I got 8. I got 8 comfortable.
The thing we eat is institutional money behind it, bro. That shit is different. So that's why I'm bullish on.
For me, I'm just looking at take the 22 high, which was 38.94, and double that.
Bro, you got Tom Lee calling 60K for ETH, bro. 60.
See, that's where he be losing me sometimes, bro. That goes in the bucket with his IWM 300% call, bro. Yeah, he be tripping sometimes, bro.
He be
shilling. Ain't that what it's called?
I didn't hear this. The 15K. I didn't hear it from him. I'm hearing from Raul Paul. He's talking about 20,000.
Okay.
You know.
I mean, yeah, I can see it.
This it's really different, bro. I know you hate it. I know you hate Alpha Prop. I know you hate ETH. I know.
Hey, who? He don't like ETH?
Nah, because that's a lot of nemesis right there.
Oh, yeah, he did just put that in there.
Yeah.
He said Tom Lee is on some Kool-Aid drug. He said 15,000 to 25,000 is legit on ETH. I think so. He said I don't hate it.
I hope. Yeah.
Let's go back and see what this market is doing, bro.
Mm-hmm.
They ain't doing much of nothing, man.
Up and down.
Up and down. Let me see. I'm gonna put you up, Dre.
Yeah, look. I wanted to get the 1800 open, bro. We didn't get it.
Hold on, let me see. I gotta make your screen bigger. You was looking to get where?
23 right here. Where we open at 6 a.m. At 6 p.m. I wanted to touch there and get short from there, but we didn't get it.
Got it.
That's what I was waiting here at 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock, but we didn't get it.
Yeah, the rest of this overnight trade, I think, gonna be pretty well. I think it'll be pretty interesting, but at the same time, like we mentioned, I think it's just going to end up being an inside bar on a 12-hour. Let me see. Is the NQ below or at the 50% monthly mid, Dre?
Below. Right below? There. Yeah, right now. We just fighting it. You see my screen? We fighting it. That purple dashed line right here, that's the monthly mid. So we've been fighting it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see? Yeah. Well, I mean, we close above. That is big. That's big. That is big. Key level. And the fact that we got
that's what I'm saying,
NFP,
bro. If we go above it tomorrow and then get rejected and get back below,
22,700. Light, right, bro. Man. Don't even. It's going there. So So my biggest day, Zay, you remember that day?
Mm-hmm.
My biggest trade ever.
Mm-hmm.
It was from a rejection of NFP top.
Mm-hmm.
I took that whole trade down.
Mm-hmm. Yep, I remember. Yep. You motherfucking
So
call it like literally the top.
yeah,
That's crazy.
yeah. So yeah, that shit was crazy, bro. You tell that to people, they get scared, bro. That shit was too much.
Mm.
That's why I feel tomorrow is gonna be one of those movies.
It is,
I-
bro. I'm
But I
looking at.
gotta,
Let me go. Go ahead. My bad.
I just got to see how we play it out. That's why I don't even want to force nothing right now. Cause I
There's
mean,
no
quick.
need, bro.
Yeah, there's no need for it. You're gonna get 300 points tomorrow, easy, bro. Mhm. Yeah, car. Good shit, car.
Oh my
You went
god,
profit. What happened?
this
Some,
cannot be real.
some tweet? No.
No, I just saw the. Yo, listen, Strat King, you. I saw you just put me in the tweet, but I literally just was going over Twitter and I saw it. So, dog, this guy. Trump is going to be making a big announcement tomorrow at
Oh
noon.
my god, bro.
Oh, tell me tomorrow ain't about to be a fucking movie, bro. Oh man, tell me tomorrow is not going to be a movie without it not being a movie. President
No.
Trump to make a big announcement Friday at noon from the Oval announcement. What could it be?
A deal.
So I'll tell you this. That means we know that Powell will be done talking by noon.
True. That's true.
What?
Where you saw that?
I'm about to put it in the group right now.
Bro. Bro. Yeah, buddy. And if Strakin, if tomorrow is like an NFP day, is it? So let's go back. Let's go back. Look, let's go back. You share my screen?
Yeah, your screen is up.
Look. I'm gonna take you back here, Strakin, to NFP, right? NFP Friday. Right here. It was Friday, August 1st. Right? So we open, right? Thursday night. We came in. NFP drop 8:30. We got the move short, right? Like in the afternoon. No. We got the move short. Yeah. So we started at the top from
Is
the
this
night,
what NFP is this?
August 1st.
Okay.
So we started here, and it's like one direction day.
Mm-hmm.
And that was 500 point, 2%, 2.36%, 2.4%, 550 points.
Mm.
But the major thing about NFP days is a it start being a one direction, right? So it goes. So when New York comes, it follows suit. New York won. Now the afternoon is when you get that little bounce, that bullshit sometimes.
Mm-hmm. See, the
So we're
only
getting the
issue.
same thing for like he said that his people told him
Mm-hmm.
he got some inside information. It's gonna be like NFP day, and this could be the higher day, bro, right here. And
What we just put in now, is that a good higher day though?
it's not, because
No.
I mean it's close. Like it's not even. I mean it's in the zone, but it's not a 1800 higher day. Because when you see 1800, look, we got a 1800 higher day. When right here, that's a good higher day. Tuesday was a good higher day. And let me take these boxes over here. You see how we got the high here, and we never went back, bro. Well, never went back. Every time we put a higher day at 1800, we never go back to it. Look, right here, Monday, 1800 high, we never going back. Same thing here, 1800 Tuesday, we never went back. Today, it's a little suspect. It's not 1800.
Very suspect, bro.
Right? So it's different.
Bro, this about to be. We haven't had a good crazy Friday in a while. They just piling on.
Yeah. So that you just told me that Powell and Trump gonna be talking. That's gonna be up and down shit. You know?
Yeah,
he says something and then.
Yeah. Oh man, this is gonna be a good one tomorrow, bro.
Yes, sir.
We got about. Go ahead. You gonna say?
No, go ahead.
No, I was just gonna say, man, we probably can wrap this up, man. It's about to be 9:45.
Yeah.
We ain't really about to take no trades, and honestly, I want to be well rested.
Yeah, I'm gonna put something in the chat so you guys can see.
Okay.
What I mean.
So with that being said, brother, you got anything for the people? Any final words to get ready for tomorrow?
Get some good night of sleep, right? Just wait for the move. Don't jump. Don't from run nothing. Follow price action. Price action is king. Do not fade. If it drop 300, do not fade at 150 points. Do not fade that. Follow that move. You know, and stay vigilant and cautious. Yeah.
Quadree said we're gonna have a good combo on Tuesday. You damn right we are. Oh my god, I cannot wait to come back Tuesday, boy.
Yeah.
Oh man. Listen, for me, y'all, tomorrow is going to be volatile.
Yeah.
I think on top of volatility, expect a false move. I really think we can get a false move. So when I mean false move is the initial direction we start to take, that might not be the direction we finish today. Like Dre said, follow price.
Yep.
And other than that, we will see y'all Tuesday, 7:15. And everybody have a good trading day tomorrow.
Hell yeah.
And Tuesday we'll come back ready to talk about where things go.
Yeah, we're gonna see what type of day we get. 400 point, 500, 700.
Whew. All right, man. Well, all right, Dre, we out of here. Peace out, y'all.
Yeah. See ya Tuesday.